The climate control system in your Genesis is extremely intelligent as well as intuitive. Indeed, it even provides the ability to see and control some aspects of the climate control system via the touchscreen system. To see the settings on the touchscreen, select Home. Then touch Climate on the touchscreen, or you can press the Climate button on the climate controls. The climate settings screen will be displayed. Here, you can see the front and rear seat climate settings. You can also control the rear climate control separately from the front seats. To do so, first, make sure the rear controls are unlocked. To do this, go to Setup, then select General, and deselect Lock Rear Controls. This allows the rear climate controls to operate individually from the front controls. Then select Home, then Climate. Then select Rear Climate Controls. Here you can control the following: Auto Mode, Temperature, Airflow, Fan Speed. You can also turn the rear climate controls off. You also have other settings within the climate control screen that you can control. These are only available through the climate control screen and cannot be accessed via the climate control center. Select Menu to bring these settings up. Smart Vent maintains air quality and conditions inside the vehicle when you drive the vehicle with the climate control system in the off position. To enable it or disable, check or uncheck the Smart Vent box. Genesis recommends that you keep this feature enabled. The Auto Defog feature is designed to automatically sense moisture buildup on the inside of the front windshield. To enable it or disable, check or uncheck the Auto Defog box. Genesis recommends that you keep this feature enabled. Your G90 may also be equipped with an active carbon dioxide monitor. This feature controls carbon dioxide concentration and maintains pleasant air in the vehicle while driving. To enable it or disable, check or uncheck the active carbon dioxide monitor box. Genesis recommends that you keep this feature enabled. You also have the option to go to the rear climate control screen from this screen as well. The automatic climate control system in the G90 is extremely customizable. Please read the owner's manual for more information on how to get the most out of the climate control system.